Hello, my fellow mathematician. Welcome to the study of complex maths. In this case, we are going to show that hyperbolic cos of z is the same as this part here. So to do that, we begin on the left-hand side, whereby we are going to we shall let w to be equal to hyperbolic cos inverse of z. Then you multiply by cos of z in both sides so that we get now hyperbolic cos of w is equal to z. Then z can be written in the form of Euler's formula as shown here. At this level now, you can decide to multiply by 2 on both sides so that you get 2 z is equal to hyperbolic of w plus hyperbolic of negative exponential negative w. Then we write it this way: hyperbolic of w minus 2z plus hyperbolic of is equal to 0, taking this the other side. Then we multiply by hyperbolic, we multiply by exponential w throughout so that we obtain the following: plus 1 is equal to 0. When you look at this part here clearly, this is a quadratic equation, and we can do it aside here, whereby this part here, which we have exponential 2w minus 2z exponential w plus 1 is a quadratic, whereby our a is equal to 1, our b is equal to negative 2z, and our c is equal to 1. So we make use of quadratic formula, so we will have exponential w is equal to 2z plus or minus square root of, when you square b, this will give you 4z squared minus 4. You divide by 2, which is the same as 2z plus or minus 2 square root of z squared minus 1. Divide by 2, which is equal to z plus or minus root of z squared minus 1 exponential w. So at this level, you can take a logarithm on both sides so that you get now w is equal to natural logarithm of z plus square root of z squared minus 1. But from there now we say, but we let w to be equal to hyperbolic cos inverse of z. So instead of w, we write hyperbolic cos inverse of z, which is equal to natural logarithm of z plus z squared minus 1, this one square root. And that is what we are supposed to prove. So that is the end of our proof. I give you exercise. At your time, show that hyperbolic sine inverse of complex function z is the same as natural logarithm of z plus z squared plus 1. This is square root, everything into bracket. You show that. In case of any questions or any challenges in the process of your working, you can kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that you may see how this one can be worked out. Also remember to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Also, you show that derivative with respect to z of hyperbolic of z is equal to 1 over z plus z squared into that part. Also, you show that hyperbolic cos inverse of z is equal to 1 divided by square root of z squared minus 1. Also prove that integral of 1 over z squared minus 1 with respect to dz, the result is hyperbolic cos inverse of z. Prove also that integral of 1 over z squared plus 1 square root with respect to dz is equal to hyperbolic sine of z. Now, in case you face any difficulty, remember I have done all this for us. You can check in my YouTube channel so that you may learn together on how to go about with this kind of working. So thanks so much for tuning in. For more such learning, kindly remember to tune on the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video which you upload for us every day. On this assignment here, in case you face any difficulty, let me know, or also you can view in the link below so that you see how this kind of work is done. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation.